Welcome to BTC Savage TV, and today I'm going to teach you about what is a blockchain. So having accurate information and a way to verify the sources of things when you are dealing with transactions or things that are of real value is essential in this world. You need reliable systems that you can trust. And in a world full of internet fraud, malware, hacking, etc., security is becoming more highly sought after. There are restrictions and rules around verifications, 2FA Google, for example, authentication. And so how can you trust the source of the information that you are getting? The answer is in the technology called blockchain. And blockchain can provide a single source of truth that's verifiable, tamper-proof, and unchangeable. And so a blockchain is a constantly growing ledger that keeps a permanent record of all the transactions that have taken place in a secure, chronological, and immutable way. So a blockchain, it's a ledger. It's a file, that's all it is. It's constantly growing, it keeps track of all the transactions, and it's permanent. Once it goes in, you can't take it out. It's secure. It uses advanced cryptography to make sure it's locked inside the blockchain. It's chronological, and every transaction happens directly after the previous one. And it's immutable. As you build out all of these transactions onto the blockchain, this ledger can never be changed. So thank you for watching BTC Savage TV. If you'd like to know more about the Bitcoin blockchain, you can comment below, but there's also some details as to how you can get started with Bitcoin mining on the live blockchain. You can subscribe below as well. Thank you for watching.